Our Broken Oak has won a gold medal in 2021, a gold medal in 2022. 2023, it won a double gold, which means every judge on the tasting panel agreed it should get a gold. In 2023, they also picked the best out of 400 plus bourbons in the small batch up to 5 years category. And this is the #1 bourbon in the world in 2023. And in 2024, we sent it back to the 6 to 9 year small batch category. So we're the youngest bourbon that you can put in that category. And it took a double gold again. And it also took best in class. So this is the best bourbon in the world 2 years in a row.
It was a total accidental product. We did not make this on purpose, but it was from some leaking barrels that leaked so bad. After 6 months, we rebarreled it. Because of the leaking, the new barrels leaked as well. So it just led to a really unique product, a lot of oxygen, all that different oak. It just gives us something totally unique to us with this leaking double barrel.
You can enter a lot of different competitions and some of them will just give you a medal. You know, everybody who enters, you're gonna get a silver or gold. But San Francisco isn't like that. The vast majority of people send in their money, send in their bottle, and they basically are told you didn't get anything. They're blind tasting it. The judges get a numbered cup and a score sheet. That means we're on exactly the same playing field as, you know, name your big fancy master distiller from Kentucky. And it doesn't matter that we don't have their multi-million-dollar marketing budget because it doesn't move the needle. And that's why these are so meaningful to us. It's bragging rights at a level of integrity, and there's a real value reflected in that.
It's been called like an Oscar to win that double gold. Just the double gold's kind of like an Oscar. And then I think kind of winning the best in category there is up there with, you know, World Cup, Super Bowl, World Series type thing. So it's pretty cool. I remember, you know, once we had first got in the industry and found out about that award, like, oh, all right, so it's the big leagues. You know, it's the big leagues.
Yeah, and we would say things like, oh, if we could just win a gold.
It'd all be over. That was our goal.
We'll have arrived, you know. That'll finally be that.
So, and then that was always our goal. And the first time we entered with Mystic, we had the best batch and we got like a bronze the first time. And we're just like so deflated. So it kind of hit us really hard. And we're like, you know. So to finally win, you know, the golds, and we're always wanting that double gold. And now to win 2 double golds back to back. I described it like reaching the top of the mountain. And you're like, okay.
Yeah.
We never thought we'd be here. Like we never
there are people who go their whole careers and they never win a gold. So to win a double gold is great. We're also very proud of our bottled and bond. The bottled and bond category is extremely competitive. Everyone wants to put their best foot forward in the bottled and bond category. We've won a gold medal in that category, and a gold medal signifies that we set the standard for that category. So if you want to know what world-class bottled and bond bourbon should taste like, come to North Carolina. Our goal is to absolutely make the best product possible, and we're very obsessive about every detail, from growing the grain to selecting the wood for the barrels to the toast and the char level, only pot distillation, all of those painstaking process steps. And that's why we can only make 6 barrels a week, because our hands, our senses are in every single batch, and we're doing everything by hand as carefully as possible. And I think it shows when a distillery that hasn't even been in business for 10 years is producing the world's best bourbon.
The stuff that we've won these medals for, I think that the stuff we're putting away today actually tastes better. I really think we've refined the process. We've done a couple things a few years ago. We've changed the process. We think improved it, gave us better flavor, more complexity.
Just scaling up to a 12,000 pound mash and doing that fermentation without putting multiple batches into a fermenter, I think it's really improved our consistency.
Yeah, that profile, the distillation profile, we've changed as well and adjusted, and kind of adjusted everything that now the barrels we're sampling out in 1-2 years are just amazing.
It's humbling because God knows, you know, that's very fragile. If people have paid $200 for a bottle of spirits and it doesn't delight them, they're not going to buy another one.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's always our fear too, is we want to make sure, you know, as you charge a premium price that you make sure you deliver.